My name is Abhishek Malviya, Electronics and Communication Branch, SIRT College, Bhopal. Our major project is automatic floor cleaning robot using Arduino, and my work is coding.
I am Dharamveer Yadav, Electronic and Communication Branch from SIRT Bhopal. My major project is automatic cloning robot using Arduino. My work is installing parts and programming.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahendra Atre, pursuing BTech, branch is Electronics and Communication Engineering from Sagar Institute Research and Technology, Bhopal. The title of my major project is Automatic Floor Cleaning Robot using Arduino, and my work is documentary and PDF file. Thank you.
Now coming to the coding part, first we have used servo motor library. After that we have defined two variables, trigger and echo for ultrasonic sensor, and after that in 1, in 2, ENA, ENB, and in 3, in 4 for motor driver. After that we have defined reference variable and few other variables used in our code. After that we have defined 9 functions, that is get distance, forward, move right, move left, backward, reset robot, servo pause 1, servo pause 2, and reset servo. Get distance is used to get the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, that is obstacle in front of it. Forward is used to instruct the robot to move in a forward direction by setting motor pins in a forward direction. Similarly, move right, move left, backward is used to position the robot in the particular direction. Reset robot is used to set all the pins of the motor driver to low state, and servo pause 1, servo pause 2 is used to rotate the servo motor in left and right direction respectively. In void static we have defined which pin is used as input or output. In void loop we have defined the dynamic body of our code, that is how the code works. First it will get the distance of the ultrasonic sensor if distance is greater than reference variable, which is 15 in our code. It will move in a forward direction. Otherwise it will get the distance from the right side and left side. If the distance of left and right is less than 15, it will move in backward direction. Otherwise, if left distance is greater than right distance, it will move in left direction. In a similar fashion, it will move in right direction if right distance is more than that. After that, we have defined all the 9 functions. Now coming to the hardware part of this project, we have used Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, which is interfaced with LM293D motor driver, which is the capability to control 2 motors bidirectionally, an ultrasonic sensor which is used to detect the obstacles in front of it. Ultrasonic sensor is mounted over a servo motor which helps to rotate it in left and right directions. In front side of the robot, a continuously rotating DC motor is attached with a mob which is used to clean the floor. The whole circuit is powered by a 12 volt 2 ampere adapter. Let's see the demonstration. Thanks for watching.